Here's a bright, vegetal, beautiful green pasta dish with the star of the show, asparagus. This is our creamy asparagus pasta inspired by the book River Cafe London. This is so easy to make and it's full of springy goodness. First I'll prep the asparagus. I've trimmed the edges off already. If you bend that woody end wherever it snaps, that's where you want to trim it to. I'm going to cut it up into 1-inch pieces, tips and all. Throw all of that in the food processor. Pulse that down until it's finely chopped. Now I want to reserve about 1.5 cups of this. We're going to cook the asparagus in 2 phases here so that we have a base for the asparagus sauce and then a little bit of this minced asparagus that will keep some of its texture. To get our sauce going, melt a little bit of butter and then add sliced shallots and garlic and a little bit of salt. That salt will help coax out a little moisture from the shallots. They'll cook a little bit faster. You just want to cook these long enough until they're softened. The bulk of the asparagus from the food processor. So while I'm building the sauce, I can get the pasta cooking. You can use tagliatelle, fettuccine, but a long strand pasta is great for this. So I'm cooking this just for a couple minutes to soften up that base asparagus. Cup of heavy cream. That will start to simmer. Then I'll add that little bit of asparagus that I reserved. Again, this will retain a little bit of its texture. We'll just let this bubble a couple minutes until that cream is reduced a little in the sauce and it's nice and thick. So we're just cooking the asparagus sauce long enough to where when you draw the spatula through, kind of holds the trail for a couple seconds. You don't want to overcook the asparagus. You still want a bright green. So I'm going to shut off the heat, add a little Parmesan. This will give it a nice, rich sort of Alfredo flavor, but the asparagus still is the star of the show. Now I want to save about 1 cup of pasta water. Get in the habit of that. It becomes a savior with your sauce. Let's go for it. I'm going to drain the pasta, and that goes right in with the asparagus. Now I'll turn the heat back on low and start tossing. I'll add a little of the pasta water here, just to make it nice and silky. Finishing touches, a little bit of bright, fresh lemon zest. You can smell that the minute it hits the heat. Releases all those oils right into the sauce. I want to put a little black pepper in there, a tiny bit more salt. And if you like, a little squeeze of fresh lemon, extra springy. It's almost like a combination of pasta and delicious creamy asparagus soup. A little brightness of lemon and richness with cheese. This is perfect for spring. For all my kvetching, it's delicious. Seemed like a lot of asparagus, but worth it.